In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the gaming services in Windows 10. You will not be able to launch an Xbox app game or a Microsoft Store game within Windows 10 if you do not have the gaming services installed. And to install this, first you need to click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to go ahead and click on Get, and this will then open up the Microsoft Store. We now need to click on Get again next to Gaming Services, and it will now begin to install the gaming services to your computer. And once it's finished installing, you will now be able to launch your Xbox app games and Microsoft Store games again in Windows 10. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.